Let us start the discussion with disk input output commands are also known as basically the filing concept. In filing concept, the motive behind studying this particular concept is to store your data permanently on your PC. As far as the programming we have done till now is applicable only as far as your particular we did the programming in the sense that we took some input from user, we processed that particular user input and produced some output. And taking the input data and putting something at the output screen was never saved. That means as soon as your application, shut off your application, that means all the data which was taken as an input from user was no more there. Okay. But from now and on, if you are using the filing concept, you can store the data which is taken from user as an input permanently into your file, text file that can be like used uh, uh, into your like further applications. Okay. As far as the filing concept is concerned, and the filing concept is divided into two major classes. One of those is system input output, and another one is standard input output. Both of these particular classes give you the flexibility to create the files and read the files. More or less, the functionalities, similar functionalities can be introduced through these particular concepts. First of all, we are going to start this discussion with standard input output. The standard input output uh, concept is again implemented through four different set of concepts. One of those is character input output. Second one is string IO. Third one is record, and fourth one is a formatted IO. So four of these particular concepts can be used to implement the same particular logic. So let us start this discussion by taking the character IO from the user. So first of all, we have to introduce the file pointer, and this is basically the standard syntax. We have to concern a file, capital file to the file pointer, and then we have to open a file for writing purpose, and then this particular file opening statement is telling the compiler to open a file with the name of text underscore sample dot txt. Okay, you can change the name of this particular file as text sample 2 dot txt, and we are opening this particular file for the purpose of writing. Okay. In addition to it, there are other parameters as well. These are basically open the file for reading purpose, open the file for appending purpose as well. And then as you are like opening this particular file, you can take the input from user using getCHE until and unless user is not pressing a enter key. As soon as the user is giving you as an enter key, that means your this particular operation would be like suspended. And again, the characters which user is giving you as an input will be like stored to the file pointer, and then over here you are closing the file pointer. That means over here you are opening the file pointer, and into this particular statement you are closing the file pointer. And in the body of these two particular sentences, you are basically putting all your data into a file which is like opened over here. Okay, so let us execute this particular code. Okay, so let us write something. This is 2020 Karachi, Pakistan. Let us. And then press the enter key to suspend the operation, and okay, and then let us see if this particular data is stored onto your file permanently. Okay, so the data can be like checked into two ways basically. One of those is to open this particular text file, that is text sample 2. Okay, we can easily see this particular data was taken as an input from the user, and now it is saved into a file that is text sample2.txt permanently onto your hard drive. Okay, this is basically the name of file, text underscore sample2, which you like started for writing purpose and created. Okay, and another way basically to see what the user has got has taken input for this particular file is by using another C program. And in this particular C program, we have started file pointer, and then we have opened a file for reading purpose, and we want to read this particular file and get character file pointer. Okay. Now over here, get character file pointer. That means whatever it is like stored into this file pointer, which is like basically this file pointer is corresponding to this text sample 2.txt, and we have like opened this particular file for reading purpose, and then all the characters will be taken, and then those characters would be printed onto your output screen until and unless an end of file is appeared. End of file is basically sort of like an ASCII character that is showing like the -1, that shows basically now no more data is available uh, into your file. So at the end, we are going to use file close again. This is basically the set of instructions under which we have to like perform and execute some operations. This is file open and this is file close. And this is basically the body of this particular file consideration. Let us execute this particular code, and then okay, so this particular file outcome is printed onto your output screen, which was taken as an input by the user. Okay, by this way, you can use character input output considerations to implement your disk I/O concept.